You want that fridge, Mama? For what? But why do you want it for?
Can't you see? Fine.
So awesome.
No.
So now you're never gonna get out of the kitchen.
No.
Never mind, I don't want it. We're always kicking you out of the kitchen. Now you're not gonna get out. S T. Oh really? Really?
The kid's messing me up.
Well, look at that big C. Look at that big Y.
I know. It's not a lot.
Erase some of it.
There you go. Done.
Show people how to use it.
Okay.
Everybody's scribbling.
Where's mine?
It's gotta be in the very, very, very top. Be careful. Be careful. Act normal. Oh, you can use those emojis?
Think so? Yeah.
There it is. You forgot to put your name. Why don't you put your name on it? Press edit.
Where? Right here?
No, press on the image. Yeah. No. Press on those little bars right there. No. Oh, you can send it to somebody too.
No.
So you can actually text me from that fridge, huh?
Oh my gosh! I just went all the way back down.
So Maria can actually write something and send it to me. Yeah, that's what it says. Send. You can email it. Okay, you know what? Send it somewhere. Let me see what
I have to
happens.
write it all over again.
No, go back out.
Um,
So, okay, now tap it, or no, press that grid, press that grid thing, right there. Yeah, and then it says send to. What does it say? What options they give you? Okay, now check right there that box, and done, on the top. One message will be sent. Okay, say okay.
okay.
Where to? Where did it send it to?
China.
China.
I didn't even know how to read that.
Okay. Now I want to see the inside of the fridge.
Ow.
Press home. Now, there it is. View inside. Awesome, huh?
And the cameras are right here. These two.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I really want some lemonade right now.
Huh?
I really want some lemonade.
Yeah. You want to leave?
I want to do it. Me too. Someone sent something back. This guy said this, and they said me too.
That was yesterday, no?